Hello everyone. Today we're diving into something that is reshaping the entire AI landscape for 2025. The title of this video is Beyond ChatGPT, Reverse Engineering Top AI Prompts for 2025. If you still believe ChatGPT is the whole story, think again. In 2025, AI prompts have evolved to a completely new level. They are no longer simple instructions. They've become structured mini-programs. Top creators follow a powerful blueprint. First, they assign a clear role to the AI. Act as a senior data analyst, filmmaker, or marketing expert. Next, they define a precise objective, like create a high-converting YouTube script. Then comes structure: hook, problem, secret, action steps, and CTA. After that, they add constraints: no generic lines, no repetition, and keep it within a limited duration. Finally, they enhance quality with examples, unique insights, and emotional impact. One of the biggest trends of 2025 is reverse-engineered prompts. Here's the pattern top AI creators use. Break down the task into expert-level steps. Rewrite as if you spent 10 years mastering it. Remove generic lines, add unique insights, and keep the tone bold and authoritative. This structure can be applied to any topic, and you get results that feel truly professional. Because AI doesn't just follow instructions, it follows logic. The more structured your prompt is, the more powerful your output becomes. If you want to unlock the full power of AI in 2025, master one skill: writing better prompts. AI gives unlimited power, but only to those who know how to command it.